Vidi kako nam je naišao ko poruča. Alo, fotograf.
Gde?
Evo ga. Izvini, može jedna fotografija? Pazi, ovo su sve moje drugari iz zabavišta. Možeš ti da nam napraviš jednu zajedničku fotografiju pa da pošaljemo vaspitačici, a?
I don't understand.
How come?
I'm Serb-American, third generation.
Serb from America, well...
That's right. I just came here to help my people in their just fight against the NATO aggressor.
No shit. Well, that's my guy.
Yeah, I believe it's every patriot's fundamental obligation to do so, don't you think?
Jel vi čujete kako on govori engleski? Ma tip je Amer, 100%. Špijunčina. Postavlja lokatore. Pa samo Amerikanci tako dobro govore engleski.
Amer?
Listen to me. I am not American.
Ma što nisi, mami, što šta nisi? Ovdje, bre! Ajde, auto, ajde!
Bobby!
Subscribe!
Bobby!
Drive, Dushisha! Drive! What the hell? Who are these people? What the hell is this?
Where should I go?
Home, Dushisha! We're out!
You're so perfect.
Drive! Ah! Ah!
Oh my God! Does it hurt?
Just a little. Drive! Jesus! Now what?
You wanted to leave. To go away without me. And you knew I fell in love with you at first sight.
To leave? To go where? What are you talking about, Dushisha? Just drive!
Why can't I go to America? Am I that bad?
All right, you can. I'll take you. Just drive! Jesus!
Really? You must find me at least pleasant. Even if you're so handsome and smart and coming from such a great height. I'm not looking my best right now because of bombing, but I can show you pictures.
You're fabulous, Dushisha. I love you like I've never loved anyone before. I want to marry you. We'll have a wedding in California. 5 children. On the beach. Just drive!
Wonderful. Thank you. Even if it's not true. Ljubisha! Juri nas neki majmuni! Bobby je ranjen. Gde si ti? Kod kuće? Pa šta radiš kod kuće? Kako je mama? Ej, Bobby hoće da me ženi. U Kaliforniji. You and me, just like Bonnie and Clyde.
Espera, quieto!
Mir, brate Ljubo.
Ja kažem, nismo znali da tu stanuješ. Sad znate. Što, brate, držiš špijuna u kući?
Da bi se ti pitao, majmune.
Polako, prijatelju, polako.
Ja kažem.
Ajde,
Jeli?
Šta se kaže na kraju?
ti ćeš nama da se javiš, a ne mi tebi.
Tako je.
Ja!